Today we're making
breakfast.
Oatmeal. Oh man. We'll do it old school style. Bowl. Oatmeal. Chocolate chips. Milk. Microwave. That's a problem. Small bowl. Oats. Milk. Just a little bit. Swirl. Needs milk. Microwave. Microwave. I don't know what it looks like in here. Ah, it's so dark. 1 minute.
Oatmeal. Start. One minute.
2 strawberries. Stems. Knife. Nom nom. Nom. Blueberries. Banana. Peel. Slice it up. For the oatmeal, Mega Rain, banana. Oatmeal. Certified Nestle Toll House chocolate chips. Spoon, stir. Needs more chips. Reinforcements. Stir. Vanilla straight from Mexico. Teaspoon. Stir. Strawberries, blueberries. Banana.
Nom, 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 nom.
Dash of cinnamon. Done. Oatmeal in a minute. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to say thanks to a couple of our sponsors. Quaker Oats. Superior fat-free milk.
Breakfast.
And of course, Steve. Doing such a good job, man. Thanks for recording. If you guys like what you saw, please like and subscribe. And hit that like button. Leave comments in the section of what you want me to do videos on. Thanks. Oatmeal.